Hi, this is Zach from Docusoft, and today I'm going to be showing you our dashboard. So this is where you would go if a colleague has created a task against a document for you, so a workflow against that document for you to check it over or to action something on it. And so from anywhere that you file from, so whether that's our Outlook add-in, Word, Excel, Windows filing, or any other place in the system, whether it's the DMS or from the task screen as well, from the dashboard, you can create a task for a colleague against a document. So if I bring up a document that I'm filing, you can see I'm filling in the filing of where I'm going to file it. And then at this point, I can action it into myself. So I'm creating a task for myself against this document when I file it in. And I might CC a colleague in as well, copy them in, give them a reason why I'm creating this task for them. So please check over. I give them an action by date when they need to complete that by, and then when I hit submit, that's going to file the document and create a task for action for myself and copy my colleague Robin in. So I hit submit, it files it away, and then there we go, it will have created a task. So looking at the dashboard, I'm going to go into the system now. I'm on mydocusoft.com. This is on any browser, any device, so mobile phone, tablet, laptop or computer. Go to mydocusoft.com/login, put my login details in, hit submit, and it will take you into our landing page. From the landing page, we're going to have a look at the tasks. So this is our dashboard. So if I click into the tasks, this gives me a view of all my tasks. So you'll see this top one is the one that I've just created for myself. If I select the task by just left clicking on it, I'll get a view of the document on the right hand side. And then if I look at the bottom here, I can see the comment of why the person's created this task for me. So please check over this document. So I can check the document over. If I was happy with it, I could then action this by clicking the action button, put a comment in saying complete or done, hit submit, and the task would disappear from my task tray. I can also reply to the person at the top here or forward it on to somebody else. So if I hit reply, it will have filled in the person who sent it to you automatically. Again, you can add others in at this point, give it an action by date, change the category if you like, give it a comment. So if I tick the is actioned, when I hit submit, the task will disappear from my screen, or if I want to keep the task, I leave the is actioned unticked, hit submit, and that will disappear from my task tray. The same as you can forward the task, and it's the same screen again. Along the top here, I can jump to the CRM system to look at the client card for this client or case. I can launch the document, so going into the launch screen that you get if you were in the search part of our system. I can amend the document, so if somebody sent this document for me to sign, I could go on amend now and then add my signature to the document. I can download it back to the computer. I can refile it or rename it. So rename would be changing the description. If I'm refiling, I can change where the section is saved, the reference that is saved under, or a different folder completely. I can change the category from here as well. So if they wanted me to approve it, and I could then put category approved on the document and then reply back to them saying that's been done. I can check the audit of the document. So this would show me who last viewed the document, who registered it, who created that action for me, and who, if anyone else was CC'd in on it. So you can see Robin was CC'd in on it as well for information. So it's given me a full view of the audit of that document since it's gone into the system. And I can jump to the contacts against that client, and I can also delete the document. But you would only have this delete button if you're an admin of the system like I am. So I'm going to action this task now. So I've checked it over, and I'm going to reply back to the person who sent it to me. I'm going to give them an action by date of today's date as well. Leave the category as approved, and I'm just going to say completed. And at the same time, I'm ticking the is actioned. When I hit submit, my task has disappeared and it will have created that reply to the other person. At any point, this isn't moving the document's staying exactly where it was filed before. It's literally just a task against that document that's already filed. If I'm looking at this next one, again, this one says please check over on the comments. I could just action it now and say checked and fine, hit submit, and that disappears from my task tray. So it's very easy to action it from here, and you can publish it directly to our portal if you've checked it over and it needs a signature from the contact against the case or the client. And you can see here this one's already been sent for approval and this one's already been signed. It also shows you the type of document it is. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos.